Japanese tuning company TRA Kyoto has just unveiled its bold Rocket Bunny widebody kit for the new Toyota GR86. The company, which sells its body kits under the Pandem name in the US, has a long history of working on Japanese sports cars and has previously developed body kits for the old Toyota 86. Unsurprisingly, the kit for the new GR86 is just as bold and eye-catching as any other from TRA Kyoto and radically transforms the looks of the car. The front includes an all-new fascia with a distinctive grille and a small secondary air intake just in front of the hood. There's also a pronounced splitter and aerodynamic canards that further add to the aggression. Continuing the changes along the sides are flared front and rear wheel arches. The front arches are particularly interesting and have an element that extends into the pronounced new side skirts. The car in these initial photos is also rocking aftermarket wheels and a lowered suspension system. As for the rear, it includes a fixed wing that complements the ducktail spoiler found on the tailgate quite nicely. The taillights have also been tinted, and there is a new bumper and diffuser package. TRA Kyoto has yet to state when it will start delivering examples of the Rocket Bunny kit for the GR86, nor has it confirmed how much each kit will cost.